welcome to another video. And today I'll be talking about 5 facts you should know about Crew2. And this picture is not from Crew2, it's Apollo. But whatever. So yeah. Also, this is from Demo 2, but I have a model here of a dragon with, a Falcon 9 with a dragon on top. So, that's probably, I'm just going to leave that down here for now. So, yeah. First fact, it is fully autonomous. So, basically it's like fully autonomous. Like, this is in control of the countdown. It's in control of everything. And I might be wondering, well, then why do you have a whole bunch of people that look like they're controlling it? Well, actually, they're not controlling it. They're monitoring it. And they're telling the astronauts what to do because, well, not really telling them what to do, but to make sure everything's okay, you need to monitor it because, yeah, there's people's life at risk, so you need a lot of monitoring. I think the camera's tilted. There. Okay. No, that's worse. Okay. Anyway, yeah, you need to monitor the thing, and you need to know, because they also have ability to take manual control, so they need to know if it's okay to take manual control in case something goes wrong. And it also has a launch escape system, so they need to know if they need to set that off, because these things are not perfect. So yeah, it is fully autonomous. Fact 2, it was the same Dragon Endeavor as Demo 2. So this capsule was, not this capsule, but the capsule that was used on Crew 2, this one, this is from Demo 2, and this capsule right here, you see on this screen, there, this capsule right here that's blurry, this is exactly what's docked to the ISS right now. It's the same exact capsule, except upgraded a little bit because, yeah, but it's the same capsule and it's docked to the ISS right now. So yeah, that's an interesting fact. And what I think is cool about this is how SpaceX can refurbish these things. Like this right here looks like it's about to fall apart if you just touch it. Now it's up at the ISS. And that I think that's cool. Now I can't. Okay, there we go. It launched on a Falcon 9 Block 5. So originally, SpaceX was planning on launching Dragon on a Falcon Heavy. I don't have a picture of it right now. Falcon Heavy. So here's a picture of a Falcon Heavy. Wait, whoopsies. So basically Falcon Heavy is a Falcon 9, as you can see here, but it has 2 boosters on the side. So let me do this. So basically, this is a Falcon 9 booster, right? Now Falcon Heavy, for the first stage, has 2 more of these. Basically, the simple way to describe it is 2 more of these equipped to the side to give it 2 times, I don't know, the more lifting power, so you can lift heavy things. And Dragon was originally supposed to go on that, but it was harder to make it certified for humans than Falcon 9, and it was cheaper to do it on Falcon 9, so then they just decided to do it on Falcon 9. But now it's being launched on a Falcon 9 Block 5. which is what SpaceX launches today. Falcon Heavy hasn't really had a mission yet. It's launched a Tesla Roadster that's orbiting the Earth right now. Like, literally right now. Like, now. As you're watching this video, it's orbiting the Earth. But that doesn't really count as a mission because SpaceX just made a Tesla Roadster and decided to put it on a Falcon Heavy for a test flight. And that's a test flight, so yeah. That doesn't really count as a mission. Although there is a mission scheduled where Falcon Heavy is actually going to go on a mission, not launch a random Tesla Roadster orbiting the Earth. But yeah. And Falcon 9 is the only rocket SpaceX is using right now. I mean, Starship doesn't really count because that doesn't really count as a rocket you're launching. Basically, Falcon 9 is SpaceX's. If you wanted SpaceX to launch something, it would be on a Falcon 9. So anyway, let's get back to the PowerPoint. 4. The 0G indicator was a penguin. So in this picture, you can kind of see it. Little penguin there. And on missions, they have a 0G indicator. It's just a fun thing to have, and it also can tell when it's on 0G because they're strapped in and they can't really feel 0G. So, on Demo 2, it was a dinosaur. On Crew 1, it was Baby Yoda, because everyone likes Baby Yoda. And in Crew 2, it was Penguin. Here. And also, yeah, so basically they just have 0G indicators. It's like a fun little thing they do. Goodbye, Mr. Penguin. And it's useful because then they can know when it's 0G. And last fact, the Tesla license plate said the first Tesla, or it depends on which view you're looking at, but the first Tesla said reduce, the second Tesla said reuse, and the third Tesla said recycle. So basically I think it's kind of obvious, but it's for a lot of things, like polluting the earth, reduce your pollution, or plastic, you can recycle your plastic use, or basically it's just describing a lot of things to help. I don't really know how to describe it. It's like describing reduce things that are polluting the earth. You can reuse them so you don't have to make more, like paper. You can reuse paper or recycle paper so you don't have to keep getting I don't know where to put this because the stand just fell off. I'm just going to hold it for now. You can recycle paper so you can reduce the amount of trees, but yeah. Also, SpaceX does this, like here. They do this thing, by the way, this picture was from the dress rehearsal. A dress rehearsal is basically how it's like a dry run, sometimes they call it, where you do everything up to starting to refuel. So you get into the suits, you get into the Tesla, you drive to the pad, you get into the thing, you get into the Dragon, basically like a real flight you would do, until the point where they're going to start refueling, because then that would make no sense to refuel the rocket for no reason. And usually they do this about a week or so before the actual launch. So, yeah. And also, I think it's necessary because they haven't really done that before. I mean, they've obviously done the Dragon before, but they haven't done the whole mission and kind of everything before, so, yeah. And that is it for that. Thank you for watching this video, and by the way, Crew 1 will be returning. Crew 1 will be returning back to Earth on Wednesday. I don't know the exact time. I didn't look at that. But yeah, and I have school that day. Wah, wah, wah. So I don't think I'll be able to live tweet it, but I will do a video on I will do a splashdown video of everything you need to know when it splashes down. This was a liftoff video, everything you need to know when it lifts off. So I'll do a splashdown video for Crew 1 so you can know everything about what happens when Dragon splashes down. And yeah. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.